So hey guys, I took over the channel. I'm gonna show you how to get a wet spot out your pants. So what happened was, trying to feed the dog, and I got it on my pants. So I'm here for a brief commercial break. I want to introduce the Gorilla Glue of hair grease to pump it up. It will pump you up. All right, now back to my. All right, guys, I'm going. Bye.
Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. I know that was Bay in the intro, had to make his appearance, okay? If you have not already, make sure that you are subscribed. And of course, the link to the hair will be listed down in my description box below. This video is a little bit different just because I did not want to get out of the way, obviously. So I went ahead and just kind of styles up the unit on the mannequin head. I've been wearing it for about 5 days now, and I really want to make it a habit of showing you the true wear of the hair. I don't want you to be purchasing wigs and then you're like, Chrissy, the hair is shedding or it's matting. So I really try to take my time with the reviews and really make sure that the product that I'm putting out is something worth spending your money on. RPG Hair is not to be confused with RPG Show. Those are two separate companies. So definitely make sure to keep that in mind when you are kind of going through this whole process of ordering and all that stuff. A lot of the companies will use each other's videos and pictures. So I promise you, this unit is RPG Hair, okay? Of course, this is their 20-inch. This is actually a 13x6 frontal. So, you know, you get a ton of parting space. You can do side part, middle part, left, right, you name it. We are there. Now, y'all know I'm wrong for these braids, but we ain't gonna talk about it right now, okay? I just needed something real quick to get the unit actually installed. But in a normal situation, you would definitely want to do maybe about 10 to 12 small, really teeny tiny braids, especially if your hair is as thick as mine. Y'all know my hair just kind of poofs up and does its own thing, even when I have cornrows. So the point in this video was to show you how to apply your wig gluelessly. I actually went ahead and took a new wig cap, which the company provided. Thank you so much. And then also a wig grip. You can find these on Amazon. For the most part, most companies provide it. I will double check to see if RPG Show has one or RPG Hair. See, I'm getting confused right there. If they have it on their website, and if they do, I'll be sure to link that down below and any coupon codes that may be available. The great thing about this is the unit already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so all that I literally had to do was kind of customize the hairline. I know a lot of you guys don't necessarily care for the baby hair, so this is going to be the part where if you don't want to see it, baby, skip it, okay? Because I love the baby hair, okay? Sometimes I'm there, sometimes I'm not, but today was one of those days. I was loving my makeup and just kind of feeling the vibe, so I wanted to do some kind of wispy, curly, out of the way, not doing too much, but just a little something type of baby hair. You guys will see me actually pull out the Pump It Up. So funny thing is, okay, this is actually Babe's family's company, Bronner Brothers. You guys are probably super familiar with them, I'm sure. And so their Pump It Up has been around for years. I know you guys know about it. It's been used all over the place. I'm actually using it now to install my wigs because, y'all, it is no different. Actually, it's better than the Gotta Be Glue spray when it comes to actually installing the units. And you guys can already see like how easy this process is. I'm literally just spraying a little bit of the Pump It Up spray, hairspray. You can really use whatever you want, but obviously I'm gonna promote the brand, okay? So yeah, use a little bit of that Pump It Up spray just to go along the edges. If you do not have baby hair and you're still wanting to use it around the hairline, you definitely can hit it with the blow dryer. It dries super fast, so honestly you don't have to even do that. But if you decide to, that's gonna be the secret to really holding down your unit. You guys can see that you are not able to see that wig cap underneath the actual wig. You guys are not seeing any demarcation lines. All that you see is wig and scalp, okay? And so, yes, I know that you guys probably thought there was going to be a bigger secret to like how to, avoid the whole ball cap method. But nope, it's just a wig cap and a wig grip. And you guys get it in your skin complexion or something really close to it to kind of match your scalp color, and you guys will be good. You guys can see already just how nice the unit is kind of flowing, melting into my skin. And I haven't even put on like an elastic band just to kind of tie everything down. What I'm going to do is actually go ahead and apply some curls. I don't know why I think I missed that step in this video. I didn't even notice that till just now, that I never used an elastic band, to go, or a hair scarf to go around the hairline and kind of really help everything melt in. It's because it was already doing it. Okay, y'all see this skin melt lace? If you guys are wondering the products that I'm using, I pretty much use the same thing over and over and over again. I am very loyal to what I love. And so I'm taking my razor comb, adding a little bit more face framing layers. I ended up adding even more throughout the week just because why not? Once I get a wig, I'm going to start chopping away at it anyway. So it becomes a long, silky straight style to something with some body waves, then some curls. You might even get some, I don't even know what they're called, crimps. Y'all, I can't master the crimp. That's why I've never showed you guys that in a video. But every now and then, you get what I'm saying? Like, I try to get in there, but not this time. Anywho, so now that I'm pretty much satisfied with the wavy the waves, not the curls, the waves are looking, and the layers that I've pretty much created, I'm going to go through with I believe this is a 2-inch or a 1.5-inch curling iron, and I'm just going to go through and kind of bop everything, get it real nice and tight, kind of loose waves. That's the effect I was going for because they are layers. I didn't want to overkill with the curls. So what I am doing right now is overkilling talking, and so I'm gonna let this play out, and then of course I will be right back to show you guys the final look. Alright babes, so this is pretty much it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually wanted to use something different today, which was the Pump It Up. If you guys know, this is a Bronner Brother product and it has been around literally forever. I'm I'm sure you guys have a ton of funny stories that you guys can tell me about this freaking product. This is low-key the secret to a flawless install. You guys got a chance to see how I was able to install this unit gluelessly without much of anything, and literally, y'all know that Pump It Up, you put it there, is not gonna move, okay? So I used it just along the edges here, obviously not directly on my hairline. I did not have to use a ball cap. I didn't have to use any glue, literally nothing but an elastic band. We have the actual wig, we put a little bit of layers in it, and yeah, the Pump It Up is holding us in place. You guys can see the unit is literally not going anywhere. So definitely leave any comments or questions down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babies.